today's video, guys, flexing my Turno. My Turno laundry, guys. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. It's a sticky head. Ayan, guys. Nabili ko siya for only, ayan, 350 pesos lang siya, guys. Turno na yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. Oh, ayan. Ayan po. Fresh na naman ako, guys. Ayan, ito yung aking, ayan, aking, ngayon, fashion for today. Ito yung aking nirarampa ngayon, guys. The black color. Wow! I really love it. Pack na pack yan.
Oh,
and then, meron din tayong red color, guys. Ayan, later, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. It's a medium size. Ayan, medium size. Wow! Yung kanyang, guys, 36B. 36B yan siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Wow! It's a medium size. Ayan, medium size. 36B yan siya, guys. Ayan. Itatry kung bagay ba siya dito, guys. Bagay ba siyang i-partner sa ating, sa ating black lingeries. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Nabili ko lang to siya, guys, for only, ayan, 75 pesos. 75 pesos lang to siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda, guys. I love also the green color. The green color, guys. Look. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda niya. Pack. Ayan. Flexing my black lingeries with matching green color of blazer. Ayan. I really love it. Pack. Pack. Wow! Medyo nag-shape na siya. Ayan, takpan ko lang yung aking tummy, guys. Yung aking bilbil kasi hindi pa siya ganon ka. Hindi pa siya ganon ka flat, guys. Kaya, ayan, konting exercise na lang to. Ayan. Konting exercise na lang. Tcharan! Flexing my lingerie for today. And guys, pack na pack yan yung ating Turno lingerie. And guys, pack. Ayan. Partira natin siya ng blazer na napakaganda, guys. Ayan. Wow! Ayan po. So this is my lingerie for today, guys. Ayan, a Turno black lingerie. Ayan, I really love it. Pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, pack. I really love it.